say make with the off light.
Now gift we go ask that question.
Oh, no, because I don't understand. Why they want off light?
No, they just say, hey. Hey! Nedu, I don't know. Nedu, you don't die. I'll be how? Hey! Nedu, no, we start with IzyBeatz, please. I don't know this kind of something. Hey, Jesus.
Really smile.
Una, it don't do. Stop. Una, good evening, no.
Good evening.
Greet us.
Well, good evening.
Good evening. So you go sue for soprano. Okay, good evening.
Well, good evening.
Good evening. Where I come from?
No, we don't fit it out. They do this.
Where I come from?
They do what be this.
We come from Lagos.
We don't used to know this kind of thing. No? Yeah. Many they don't know me. They don't. Are we going for night vigil? Because
why not wear uniform?
I don't know.
Because we are a singing group.
What did they call it now?
They call us Lagos City Choral.
Lagos City Chorale.
Chorale.
What is choir?
Choir.
Can you put Lagos City choir?
Lagos City.
But why all of na come now?
Because we come, we want to make you sing.
What's it?
Well, so all una go fit stand for 1 hour.
You know they can sing with it.
Of course we can.
Which kind of sing una they sing?
We sing within the...
Okay, nothing go happen there. Some of una go sit down inside there.
No, we're not fit. Abante, you know, they want to arrest us. They do now.
No, they're not fit.
No, you just see as they stand like policemen.
Okay, make the ladies go sit down. Sister in the Lord. Nkiru, go sit down there. Chama, ngwa.
Now you go carry there.
Sit down there.
Then the men.
The men. Una fit stand? Is it this guy not fit stand? If una not fit stand, I am not gonna go outside.
No.
Small, sister, don't worry. Una, I am what are you? In the third picture, Abi?
What's in my name?
Yes.
What is your own name?
You don't call it name. Why you go give me?
Okay, nothing will happen there. Wait, Katim. P square. Nedu square.
No.
No,
There's only
it's not
one
possible.
Nedu. You
Only
cannot
one
be
Nedu.
like my Nedu, please.
It's not possible.
You mean your friend Urabong for that's your name? Urabong, doctor, find a place and sit down.
Katim, come and sit down. Anyway, una welcome back on Saturday Night Show. And we get Lagos City
Choral.
choir.
Yes.
But the choir na choral. Na in them put them CHORAL. Na in there. Una welcome on Saturday Night Show.
Thank you.
See, they use music answer.
No, we will sing our question.
No, we sing. Okay. But if we sing question, I go fit answer us back foot. We sing.
Definitely, we will do that.
So now, what do the work on they do now to be sing?
I did. I am be a walker.
You not the sing, now you be the.
Yeah, but I started. I did sing before.
Okay.
Before I come graduate.
Chooks now you're picking. You get any picking called? You know say chooks.
Chooks they resemble. No, he name not be Chooks. He name different. Now he make can work head.
Yes.
So, and you got 2015.
I tell you.
2015.
I tell you. Now, okay. Even if we not talk, we not go hear on our name because we not wear mic. We not go fit go outside. Mona go outside.
You drive them, you
no. Una fit stand. Una go stand.
Yes.
Una go stand throughout the show, na.
Yes. You come talk like say.
You go good,
like. You come be like say one day family picture, smile.
They're in our father. They're you now, mommy.
How much they come be this?
Anyway, welcome on Top the Night Show.
Yes,
Daddy, okay, your name is Emeka Nwokedi. Sister in the Lord, what is your name? Vivian Nwokedi.
No, Vivian Obo.
Vivian Obo.
Yes.
Where are you from?
From Delta State.
Delta State. Man of God,
Duke Asokwa.
Duke Asokwa. Where are you from?
Cross River State.
What kind of question? Yeah, my brother.
All of them are the same. From which part do you come from? You, Imo State. You, River State. Imo State. Anambra State.
How do you
come? Two sisters in the Lord. Where do you come from? Anambra.
Hey!
Hey!
Aman, the list is not open to Abia State.
It's not
President.
Abia not there.
Abia day.
Not there.
Then day.
They don't say this na small
Na
group.
small group. This
Eh,
We
okay.
there like 60 in number.
60.
Yes.
Oh, not all of them be this.
But
No, you
no.
could make all of them local.
And the one day all of them come here. We for not get up to see that here.
But that's small.
Now, we also gonna go Germany recently.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we'll go watch something from that Germany.
Okay.
Waka Wona. We'll
Okay.
come back. We'll begin asking a question.
Okay.
Anyway, we'll go watch something from Lagos City Chorale called Chorale.
Chorale.
We stay with choir.
We just stay. Una know say na Chorale or Chorale, but we go call them choir.
Yes,
We go watch what they do for Germany. When we come back, we'll continue it. Our phone lines go to open. We're gonna begin the call to talk to them. We are
In
coming
case
back.
you know them personally and
In
otherwise.
case you know them. When they come back.
Sound.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yes,
But
sir.
why they don't understand what I talk now? They call the clap.
Yes, the music is music. It's emotional. It touches your heart. It touches your mind. Whether you understand it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't know something I
You know, no.
You don't know something I sing. You know what you go happen there?
I can hear you.
Me and Katim, we
Yes.
go do conduction for conductor.
All join. Conductor,
For
conduction.
una. Then you can do conductor for 3 of us. We'll say we sabi sing.
No, we go train your voice so before you sing.
So our voice no
So,
train as
wait,
today.
as you try, what you try to talk, say our voice not reach.
You know, it reach small, but if it add small.
You
Which
we
part did they sing?
We gonna surprise you.
Which part
Katim,
did they sing?
Just wait.
Yes.
Katim, just give a small line of your rap.
Okay.
Just small.
Because I was supposed to say,
He dey see am. He see that. When they say, not try us. We get vibrator.
That is good though. That is good though.
Hey, we
I
get
sing now.
Not try us. That you see, we get vibrator.
Vibrator.
And yes.
No, you. I don't know which
And we
voice
come get
you
sonophones.
be. Whether you be soprano.
Nedu dey sing all part.
I get bunch of keys.
You get bunch of keys. You dey sing for Y key.
Why is it? Some go say key you. I get bunch of keys. If I sing, you choose your own. Now, tell us about Lagos City.
See.
That second letters LCC. Wow, I'm happy idea. Tell us about LCC.
Yeah, this is in a singing group.
Okay.
We done there like 27 years.
Yeah.
Jehovah.
Yeah, so we done there.
And now you don't do am. Then you don't do.
Now me done the do am.
Okay.
You know, since that's,
You never tire.
you know, music no go make you tired. If you get music inside you, you don't go tired at all.
No wonder no dey tired. And when you dey sing, I think
Yes.
you're good.
So we don't there this country. We don't sing. We don't sing for Abuja for.
What do they sing for? When they sing for people,
Yeah,
when
for
get
people.
some specific kind of song, when they sing,
Yeah, you know.
when yours they sing.
No, we just nobody we just they sing. People they come listen to us. Sometimes we they give concert like a Muson Center.
We know so na get concerts where they come soon.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
How you
We
take no?
I know.
Yes.
I get the
because you know as we don't go Germany, come back, we come win gold for that. Yeah.
So na competition.
Na competition,
No one I get
yeah,
mad.
yes.
So I saw that man in her singing. No
And
one
she
gets
got
what
the
food.
fly like
Yes,
butterfly.
now.
Sing like a bee.
Yeah.
She first fly the first one, you know it.
He said anyhow. We must carry the ball home.
No. Maybe I should first fly the first butterfly. Then they come cut her eye. Me also. Then the customers are come.
We can't confuse them because say, oh, wow,
Now,
can't
why
take the
everybody
goal.
come clap?
Yes,
Now
sir.
the goal, now the first position.
Well, is the highest point you can score. You have bronze, you have medal,
can't
then the
sell
gold is the highest.
They give you no money.
Money no dey inside this.
Hey, ta.
Hey, you know, this like Olympics, when you go Olympics for games. This one na quite Olympics. So if you win now for your country, win
No, but
gold
how did
for.
they make
So who cost? Okay, wait. Who pay on a transport night bus when I take go?
No be right boss on a plane we take go.
You like saying that them pay.
So who pay when I take go?
My brother, that one hard because we not even fit get sponsor. But we manage, struggle. Because we want to represent this country for the
Singing.
thing. Because over 100 choirs from about 35 countries. They come, you know, and they good make Nigeria, they go this kind of thing. Not be only football, but, you know, you get some small things where they lift up country.
Yes.
This one, one of them. Because you go see oyibos there, you know, they sit down, then they wonder, these people from Africa, how they can be. They come admire costume, even those instruments where we
Now who they say on a costume? We they do costume. If me and Nedu decide things like this.
But you be broadcaster now. You know?
Leave that thing though. Anything where money there now they
Brother.
Okay, don't worry. If
From
you-
Abuja, go take glory. Good evening from Abuja. Doris. Hey, Honan, your TV is too loud. Dada. Hey, Honan.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, good evening.
Nice to meet you. Want to talk to you.
Good evening.
Just wait. Just wait.
Yeah, good evening.
Hey, Honan. Good evening.
Yeah, how you doing?
Hey. Yeah, me. I get me.
Yeah, how's everything? Hi, Katim.
Katim is fine. Say like Katim. We are fine, though.
Katim, how you doing?
Hey. Yeah.
How are you? Yes.
Answer.
Yeah, I doing okay. Oh. Aku bantu bawa ke Fian. There is an international call. So for say they don't.
Dada, you take phone?
Now so she go miss I don't know.
Giwa from Norway. Good
I'm
evening.
a dog mistake Iwa.
I greet you, Nedu.
Are you with me?
I am with you, my brother.
We get LCC, Lagos City, Chorale inside studio. You want to follow them talk? Hello?
Yeah. Kiwa.
Giwa. In own Norway, I understand. Now outside Nigeria, I understand.
Maybe now the weather freezing hand.
The weather, now if you know, now the freeze, it freeze the phone. Now, ma ask you, who they compose on a songs when they sing?
Yeah, the song we they sing composers, you know, from Nigeria, you know.
Okay.
We have Hausa song, we have Igbo, we have, in fact, they sing in all Nigerian language.
Wow.
Some people where they compose and people like us, where go study music for university.
Okay.
Because this one international music.
Okay.
This music where they sing they fit sing them for America.
Okay.
They fit sing them for Germany.
Okay.
Because that music they don't write them down.
Okay.
They don't score them.
Okay.
So every person will be musician.
So you don't blow now, Daddy, as you do, so you don't blow. You do all right.
If anyone from Yola, good evening. If anyone.
Yes.
Good evening. How is you?
I'm fine, though.
I don't know. How about you come back and listen, though?
So they hear you. If anyone talk to us.
I'm fine. How are you, too?
We do all right.
Edu, are you with me?
I am with you. Okay. Even after I'm on, what's laughing you?
Hello.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Ify.
If it not vex, you. But I beg, you wanna help us do something. If una they call, make una reduce una TV volume. Una not hear on herself. As long as they hear yourself for phone. All the go, madam, now you with me.
Please, boy, you do all right. That's how all of us can make heaven in one pieces.
That's often way they call it. No, not going to make heaven, no.
No, maybe make heaven in one pieces. You cannot.
It's okay, you will not. We'll personally make sure you don't make heaven.
Yeah, wow.
Anyway.
Now you be God. Now you be God.
If you don't obey the rules,
If you don't obey rules and regulations of this show, you will not go. Now, before I forget this question, we Katim be ask you. Eh? No, they don't blow. They don't blow now. For them to win gold, go Germany. They don't blow now. 30 countries, only them come. From Zaria, good evening. Chat. Chat. Hello.
Good evening, Nedu.
I thought this in my TV too loud, though.
Hello?
Yes.
I'm listening.
Your TV too loud.
Good evening.
Evening.
Oh, yeah, talk.
How wanna do?
Fine, tell you.
Hello?
Bye-bye, thank you. Now, quickly, Moko ask you before. No more calls again, Biko. Now,
Until now off on TV.
Until now off on TV. How una take they make money? How una take they sustain on herself? They buy on a costume, on a traveling expenses. Because I know, say, okay, events when I get events, they come up Sunday 30th of August for Ajib Hall Museum Center, 5:30 in the evening.
Yes,
how una take the Valaptut una hangus, the bangious nature of the Malakai? How una take the
You know,
how would I take the do
arrange
now?
myself. In other words, you don't translate. You know, this kind of English is quite big. You know, so you take a special kind of ear, and then you can interpret what he's saying.
Yes,
so the LCM of everything is what you know. Sometimes when I'm this kind of something, some face say I'm near sponsors.
How would I take the get money?
In other words,
how would they take money? Sometimes we go do show.
Okay.
People they invite us, say we come for wedding, for birthday, for this, for Christmas. We do Christmas carols. All those things now, small money. With the gate, they take and run the choir.
Okay. Yes. Now, how na take get on herself? Una do auditions to get all of on herself.
Yes. One, you know, before you go join us, we go listen to your voice.
Okay.
We go listen.
Like our voice now.
Yes.
So
go
panel
come.
go there. Like some panel people when go from panelists.
No, me be expert for listening
only
for. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, because.
What we go do be say for night we go sing inside in ear. I know that's the only way when go say yes.
See, Daddy, we can sing. Test us now.
No, okay, make I ask her whether if I can test you.
I ask her.
Yes. Can you test their voice?
I fit now.
It starts from IzyBeatz.
Yes.
IzyBeatz no one.
IzyBeatz fear. You not know us. Katim, show them voice.
No, you know, this one, you know, Vivian, now soprano it be. That's what they sing, you know.
What they do?
But in a fine way, you know. This one now, tenor.
Tenor.
Yes.
I've been sick tenor before. I can't stop. I just changed my mind.
How? Which one is sing? They sing now.
I don't know, all of them. Bunch of
No.
Now, quickly, we're not to get time for inside the show. Now, tell us, now, for these things one I do, for the waka one I do on top music waka, for example, make I concentrate on this show one I do now. Tell us more about this celebration, this celebration of gold awards.
You say 3 gold awards. Now the title of the
No. You know, we can't get 3 gold.
Yeah, so now one
for 3 categories.
Oh,
you know,
different categories.
Yes, different categories. There is folk law, folk song, where we come sing Nigerian song. Plenty.
Okay.
And that one they enjoy pass.
Okay.
There's also contemporary music. Yes. So, and all those, you know. So, for each of these category, we can, Naim will say, we get 3 gold.
Okay.
Naim will want, tell Nigeria, say, these people, we don't go outside world, go get gold.
Make
it come follow us. Come also support us. As they follow us, rejoice.
You go see support us as well.
Now, support us, yes.
No,
now, for special...
Make a quick ask the sister in the law. It's only daddy that is speaking.
Yes.
And in children, just come sit down.
Yes, please.
Sister in the Lord, which time will you enter this community? Because I find for sister is not family again. I don't community.
You don't say.
Like how many years?
I like 10 years now.
Jehovah is Lord. Now, who be the person who don't take pass for the...
Okay, man, the 2 of us.
10
Yes.
Who be the smallest?
Who be the smallest?
Maybe that.
Okay, Choma.
She's the baby.
She's the baby.
Now my little daughter be that one. So.
Oh, now your daughter?
Yes.
Okay, I know what I go do for us now. Now, about this show, what I do for Mission Center, time not there to ask on plenty questions. When they do it for August 30th, I beg, if una dey there, una go hear them sing now. August 30th, and then they go do this show for Mission Center, Ajib Hall. A special invitation ticket for special seat. Now 5,000, just small obodo. Small money, just small money.
Yes.
Money that you used to enter and go and buy that sell pass inside by local market.
You understand? And then regular seat. They can't say, instead of make regular seat, in fact, 2,000. Recharge card
that
money.
2,000 when you keep a guy when they come to your house.
Then if you be student, 1,000.
Yes.
That 1,000 when you
want
enter
everybody
taxi,
to come.
go
Yes.
see Peter.
Yes.
That day, the tickets they for Mission Center and for the gate. Now, then go do they go do songs for us. Before we now, they go do. Una fit sing David. Una fit do Davido. I'm gonna come join now.
Okay, come
join.
So if they tell Una now to sing a year for $5,000.
We will do the Aye song, but for Chorale.
And now they talk now, so Una not fit do any Nigerian secular music. Oh, they blow whistle.
Yes.
What am I gonna do now?
What's they go say?
Yo yama yo.
This thing now, wait now.
Yo yama yo yama yama yo yama yo yama yo yama yo yama yo yama so como diamo yama so como diamo yo yama.
You take one stick what they use
to conduct. Just stick no day now.
Nabo benedie nabo.
Wait, now we now go do na conductor.
No. You can't conduct us.
You
don't know the song.
Okay, whose song? Okay. Una know. Mama Diliga, Chinete, Mama Diliga. Okay, give us song we go fit do conductor for me.
But we're not going to sing them like that. So.
Okay.
Mama Dirigio.
Okay, now
Mama Dirigio.
1, 2, 3, go.
Mama Dirigio. Chineke. Mama Dirigio. Onyoma. Mama Dirigio. Chineke. Mama Dirigio. Onyoma. Mama Dirigio. Chineke. Mama Dirigio. Onyoma. Let's laugh for him. This one, they get them. That lie.
Don't try me.
I beg you. I don't allow you to make you take my work from you. Now this song why they make like this. Now I they take wako.
No worry. I just say, I tell you this thing. I'm not just one day drum, you know. If I say, man, do conductor, people not go do. Nobody go fit to get that work again.
Yeah.
Now, una go help us do 2 songs. Una do for Germany.
No, but that one where the lady they do.
No, that for their own. She's not even there here.
Okay. So the song no go motivate them.
Jehovah Chimle, Onyabule Ondomi.
One.
Hallelujah, Chimle. No, but that one where they sing.
Yeah. Chimle, 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 chimle. Chimle, 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 chimle. Chimle, 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 chimle.
Hallelujah.
Chimle, 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 chimle. Agamaturu gimama. Chimle, 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 agamaturu gimama. Hallelujah, chimle, Jehovah chimimela, ebi woromoria chimle, agamaturu gimama. Hallelujah, chimle, Jehovah chimimela, ebi woromoria chimle, agamaturu gimama. Mama, 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 chimo, mama, 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 agamaturu gimama. Mama, 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 chimo, mama, 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 agamaturu gimama.
Hallelujah.
Chimle, Jehovah chimimela, ebi woromoria chimle, agamaturu gimama.
Hallelujah.
Chimle, Jehovah chimimela, ebi woromoria chimle, agamaturu gimama. Agamaturu gimama. Agamaturu gimama.
You could be balala.
Agamaturu gimama.
You could be balala.
Agamaturu gimama.
Onye wimtelekiji. Maya
Mazo. Manga bakitalamazo.
Onye wimtelekiji. Maya bakitalamazo.
They go soon finish.
Chimle.
Chimle, agamaturu gimama. Chimle, chimle, agamaturu gimama. Chimle, agamaturu gimama. Hallelujah, chimle, Jehovah chimimela, ebi woromoria chimle, agamaturu gimama. Jehovah chimimela, ebi woromoria chimle, agamaturu gimama.
Do you know what I go do for me? When I go, if they want to follow una for, una get Twitter handle, Facebook. Okay, tell them on a Facebook handle.
No, it go be Lagos City.
Oh, talk out. You not get mic. Your Facebook handle, now waiting.
Lagos City dash Choral.
Lagos, their Facebook handle now Lagos City dash Choral. Lagos City dash
No be
Choral.
underscore.
No be underscore. Dash Choral. Now their Facebook handle, Twitter, the same thing. The same thing for Twitter. So now know what I go do. Three of now we wear mic. When I go say bye bye to them. All those who send Twitter message. Bye bye. See ya. Sing it. I think I go, okay, una go give us choir, una give us conductors make we do. Katim, stand up. Most of the things that we speak.
Yes, yes, yes.
For Friday. You go there, Daddy. Bye. May the Lord be with you. No, say bye again. Say bye. Bye. No, we'll sing come out.
No.
We'll sing come out.
Okay.
All of us.
Hallelujah, Chimle. Jehovah
Who they leave me?
Chimle.
Go come back.
Hallelujah, Chimle. Jehovah Chimle. Hallelujah, Chimle. Jehovah Chimle.
See you. Hallelujah, Chimle.
Jehovah Chimle.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.